I'm Marshall Currier with NAD Electronics and BlueSound. And here with me are a variety of different products. All these different products, whether it's our M17 for home theater applications, our multi-room streaming audio product here, this NAD CI580, or even this wireless speaker from BlueSound, all feature the same core technology, BluOS, or the BlueSound operating system. This is a multi-room, high-resolution audio platform. So all these products show up on your smartphone or tablet in a basic room configuration, and you can group them all and have a party mode. They all stream services like Spotify, Tidal, Apple Music, and they all feature Bluetooth as well. So whether it's for home theater applications, multi-room applications like architectural audio, or again, a basic wireless speaker, all these different solutions feature the same app. It's a one-app experience that's really beautiful for your customers. Here with me is the T778 home theater receiver and also the M17V21. One big reason to specify NAD in your jobs is that we feature technology called modular design construction on both of these products. As a matter of fact, all of our home theater products feature modular design construction. What's modular about it is if you look at the back panel, there are modular cards you can buy to upgrade the product years later. So today these feature 4K HDMI, but when we come out with our new 8K HDMI separate card, you can purchase that, pop out the old 4K card, slide in the new 8K card, and you're off to the races. You don't have to send your unit in, it doesn't void your warranty, it just works. You can work with a ZettaComm team to specify what product's right for you and for your needs in the future. But this is a key NAD technology difference maker, available in, again, all of our home theater products. Visit the ZettaComm team for more opportunities to install these in your next job, or ZettaComm.com.